What would happen if your storefront flooded tomorrow? If a cyber attack locked you out of your systems? Or if your supplier vanished without a warning? These disruptions don't wait for the right moment, and they don't come with instructions. That's why every business, big or small, needs a plan. Disasters don't schedule themselves, but your business can still be ready. Introducing the Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Plan Workbook, your step-by-step guide to protecting what you've built. This workbook walks you through real-world risk assessment, crisis communication planning, and continuity strategies. It can help you slowly work towards the big plan that will save you in a time of crisis when your business introduces any sort of disruption or crisis that your team scatters and feels they can't manage. They have a book with all the information they would need to turn to in order to make sure that they can operate the business smoothly and still meet the demands of your investors, your customers, and their colleagues. Thousands of small businesses wait until it's too late, but you don't have to. Download the Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Plan Workbook today at empower-resilience.com. Secure your operations and protect your future.